Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Coursera certificates onto your LinkedIn profile. As you can see, I have my certifications here, so let's begin the video. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn profile as well you are logged into your Coursera account. So here is the home page. All you need to do, on the top right side you're going to see your name. You're going to press on that and you need to press on the accomplishments section. This is the place where all of your certifications will be shown, or all the certificates for the courses that you have completed. Here you can see in my courses I have a total of 5 for now, so they are not going to be in any particular order as far as I have seen, not in alphabetical nor in date wise. So if it's your first certificate, then you're going to see it, but if you have multiple certification, then you need to find yours. So the certification that I want to share on LinkedIn is this one, analyze data to answer questions. Here you can see it has a little button saying add to LinkedIn. You're going to press on this button and you need to add all of this information onto your LinkedIn profile so that people can view and validate that you have successfully completed or got this certificate. For that, you need to open LinkedIn and make sure that you are in your profile section. You're going to go down and here it should have a section saying license and certifications. If it is your first time and this section is not showing, then you can press on this add profile section button. You need to go to the recommended section and here it says add license and certification. You need to press on this button. In my case, I have already enabled it. It's for those guys who don't have this section because they are adding their license for the first time. Here you're going to press on this little add button, and here you need to add some basic details which you can find on the Coursera site. Again, make sure that you have opened the course that you want to share. For the name, you're going to copy the name of your certificate. From here you're going to paste the name right here. The issuing organization in my case is Coursera. If you are getting it from any other organization, you can type it and it will show it. Here is it, Coursera. After that, you need to select the issue date. Again, on your license it's going to show it. In my case it's October 2022, so I'm going to select October 2022. And if your license has an expiration date, you can uncheck this box to add your expiration date, but Coursera certificates mostly don't have an expiration date. After that, you need to enter credential ID and credential URL. These two things are the most important, as in this way other people can verify that you have a valid certificate. Again, going to Coursera, here you got this credential ID. Just copy your course's credential ID and paste it. And for the credential URL, right click on it, copy link address, go here and press paste credential URL over here. So these are all the things needed. After that, press on the save button, and now you can see your license or certification has been updated. We can press on next, and if you want to share it, you can do so. In my case, I'm not going to share it now, so we're going to say you haven't finished your post yet, so we're just going to discard the post, but the license should be added to our profile. Again, I'm going to go down and I'm going to press on show all certifications, and here is the one that we just added. The last one is the most recent one is going to be at the top. Analyze data to answer questions. The publisher is Coursera, or the issuing authority issued on this, no expiration date. And now if anyone of who is checking your profile want to see the validity of your course, they can just simply press on the show credential button and it will open Coursera's website and it will show you your certificate to them with your name and your course name. So yeah guys, in this way you can add Coursera certificates onto your LinkedIn profile. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can connect with me. I'm open to it. Other than that guys, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.